So we've got the back plate, which is this part here. We've got the y-axis end stop holder, y-axis end stop. We've got the NEMA motor, y-axis motor support plate, and also this is another sort of support plate for the NEMA. We've got the y-axis NEMA motor with the toothed gear. We've got 4 M3 by 18mm screws, 3 M3 by 12mm screws, 2 M2 by 12mm screws, which look to be plastic self-tappers, and 4 of the M3 nuts. So what we'll do first is we will get this end stop mounted on the little end stop holder that we've got. In fact, no, I'm going to put this in here first. So as you've got this plate in this orientation, so you've got this large hole more towards the bottom, and you've got these 2 holes here in series here. This piece will fit in there like that and sit like that, and then you'll have your end stop on this side of the plate here. So what we'll do is, looking at that, I would say that is the M3 by 18mm screw through the hole there. Get yourself a nut, place the nut inside that little slot, just rest your finger on the other side so it doesn't drop through, and then just screw that in. That's a bit of a funny nut, is this one? A bit of general persuasion with the. No, that's not going to go. That's a funny nut. For some reason that screw don't want to go in that knot, but that one's fine. So we'll start again. So we've got it in this orientation, holes at the top there. This then fits, sorry, this way around. This then fits in that spot there. And then we're going to drop the screw through, nut on the other side, and a little nut slot. Again, just rest your finger on the back side so it doesn't fall through, and then just nip that up. Get that fairly tight on that there. So line it up something so it's nice and square. Then what we're going to want to do is just pop the end stop. Wants to be mounted onto there like so. So you'll have to just bend these gently up a bit so that you can get that mounted on there through the 2 holes. So what we'll do is we'll use these little M2 by 12mm screws. Just pop the first one in that top hole there, line it up, and just screw that in a little bit. Try and get it nice and square. And we'll get the other one, do the same thing again, pop that in there, screw that up. Let's just push that end stop on there like that, and then we'll tighten these screws down. Like so. Don't over tighten them, they don't have to be mega tight, that's fine. So we've got the end stop in place there, so now what we'll do is we'll fit the NEMA So we've got, can this go both ways? No, you can see that plate can only go the one way. So you've got your little cutouts here, and you've got your main hole on that sort of front there. So what I'll do, let's just make sure that's nice and snug in there. Drop one of the M3 by 18mm screws in the back there. Slot a little nut, M3 nut. Just lift that screw up a touch. Tighten that in a bit so it grabs that nut. Same again, another M3 by 18 in the back there. Slot another nut in. And we'll get the screwdriver and just tighten them down. Like so. So then this will sit in that larger hole, like so, like that. So we'll get this other plate in place first, and that can only go in one orientation, like that. Again, M3 by 18mm screw with an M3 nut. Try not to drop parts. So we'll get that in that little nut slot hole. It's a bit of a funny screw, that one. Just grab another screw. Don't seem to like any of the. Not screw, nut. There's a funny nut. I don't know whether the when it's been drilled and tapped. I think the taps are a bit funny on the way out, maybe. So I'll try it again. So M3 18mm screw, nut. Slot the nut in the little nut slot, and just finger tighten that in there. I'm not going to tighten that all the way down because I don't know how snug this Nemo motor is going to be fitting in there. So yeah, that's fine, is that? So yeah, so you place the Nemo motor in that with the connector facing towards the cutouts again, so you've got the connector to the stepper motor facing out this way here. And then what we're going to need is you're going to need 3 of these M3 by 12mm screws to hold that in place there. So let's get the first one in there. Second one in place, and the third one in that bottom hole there. Now there is a fourth hole there, and I'm not sure why the instruction manual says only to use 3 screws. It doesn't need any more than 3 screws, to be honest, so I'm just going to build it how the instruction manual states to build it. So I'm just going to go around now and just tighten these screws down, make sure everything's nice and tight, and that's assembly finished. And we'll move on to assembly step number 4.